Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Vijayashankar, now
Author of.
author of Guardians of Privacy, a comprehensive handbook on DPDPA 2023 and DGPSI.
Right. So can you tell us a little bit more about DPDP 2023?
See, DPDPA 2023 is a new law which has come in India from August 23, and it has an impact on the entire corporate world and including government, because it is the first law in India where the privacy aspects of data management is being covered under law.
Right.
It speaks about compliance, and failure to compliance could lead to a very large, say, penalty going beyond 250 crores. So corporates are very much concerned about what this law is, and the book actually tries to explain the law as to be understood by the management community also. See, DPDPA is not only a lawyer's domain, it is the IT people's domain and the business manager's domain. This book actually addresses the requirements of what a business manager has to do in terms of compliance as a result of this law.
Right. That's wonderful, sir. Thank you so much for sharing this
Thank
with
you.
us.
Yeah.
Thank you. Congratulations on being a published author, and I hope you have a
Thank you.
wonderful book finish.
Thank you.